Hello investors, it's Christopher Mullen from algotrades.net. Just want to do an update on the market and trading performance that we've had to date and just kind of go over a few things so you understand the profit and loss risk reward ratios, how the market and how the system actually kind of work together. So let's just take a quick look here at the recent performance. These are the closed trades the system's had since we made it available earlier this year. You can see here the P&L statement. We've had a great run of winning trades. We've had a couple minor losing trades, which are simply just position management adjustment trades. So they're not really true losing trades per se. They're just simply the system adjusting positions and risk. So overall, you can see yesterday we actually had, this is August the 14th, we had our first real losing trade of about $866 that you have the system trade in your account. And overall, that's because the market changed its trend and from a downtrend, and now it looks as though it's trying to turn up. And of course, the probabilities of higher prices is now in favor, so our short position got closed out and the market and the system kind of gone flat to cash. Now, keep in mind, the way the system generally works is our losing trades will actually be bigger than our winning trades because we have a high winning ratio, meaning we win around 80% of our trades. Those 8 winning trades will have more gains than our 2 losing trades. So this was a relatively modest loss. A lot of times this will be up around the $1,000 or possibly even $2,000 mark or higher, depending on the market condition and volatility, and of course how many contracts the system is trading. But overall, this is our first losing trade, and again, it's because the trend has changed direction. Now, if we just take a look at the performance here, this green line is the SP 500, and then the blue line is our trading results. You can see we're outperforming the market. We've had the minor pullback here around $866. We've had pullbacks like that in the past year. We had another one down about $1,000 and change. And overall, everything is just continuing to plug along the way it should. Now, if we take a look at the recent performance, you can see here the way the system works is it follows the market, and depending on the market conditions, we could have 0 trades like what we had in February and April, and then you could have conditions where the market starts to fire off a bunch of high probability opportunities, and in March, May, June, July, we got a bunch of different trades. So if we take a look at the system, what it looks like visually, so this is the robot. These green areas are kind of the sweet spots to get long, and you can see when the candles are green, more or less we're looking to buy dips. And then the market goes neutral, which is these orange candles where the market starts to give off mixed signals. We don't really take any trades during those times. And then, of course, in the last week and a half, we've seen the trend turn down. We ended up having a short trade right over here, but the market eventually caught a second wind and had a quick move up here into moving forward to start giving more mixed signals that an uptrend may be starting. So overall, if we take a look at the grand scheme of things and we zoom out, you can see the last time we had a market correction, we got our orange candles, we got the pullback, and then the market came right back into this choppy condition where you get these multiple buying and selling opportunities, same as what we saw up here. You get this choppy price action where the market can really, or our system can clean up and pull out a lot of money from the market. And then of course it went right back into an uptrend. Now, zooming back again even further, you can see the last time we had a downtrend, market comes down, consolidates for a bit, sells off, and then eventually reverses back to the uptrend. Now, because we're in a full-blown bull market, let me just zoom out a little bit. Because we're in a full-blown bull market, we get these minor pullbacks, these downtrends in the market, and they only last for a trade or two, and then the overall underlying big trend, which is a bull market, picks back up, and we see the market continue to rally. So looking forward here, if depending how this plays out, we're looking at we can see the market easily continue to chop around here for a bit, stabilize just like what it does after a normal correction, and then eventually take off and continue to run higher. Now, eventually we're going to see this bull market top out, and eventually instead of seeing the market chop and continue to grind higher and we trade to the long side, we'll see the market sell off and it'll keep chopping around and moving lower. And of course, we'll have, instead of a string of winning long trades, we'll have a string of winning short trades to the downside. That's how the market is going to move. So right now we've got a probability that the markets are giving mixed signals. This could be the start of a new uptrend or some sideways choppiness happening. So the market and the system has gone flat for the time being. And we're just going to see how the market goes. Again, we wait for the market to identify a trend, and then we trade with it. So we'll just see how things unfold going forward. Anyways, that's it for now. Take care. Bye-bye.